Good morning, students. So we are done with the tier 2 and now we shall start with tier 3 and unit A, the topic of which is determiners. So in this lesson we shall understand what are determiners, where are they used, and they are used before what words, what is their function, and we are going to also study about adjectives and how they are used and how they are used to enhance the language or English grammar. So we are first going to understand what are determiners. They are the words which are used in English grammar to make the language more expressive, and they are those words which are basically used before nouns, and nouns which can be countable or uncountable. So let us understand what are determiners in detail. Now we will understand what are quantitative determiners. So quantitative determiners, they are those words which identify the quantity or the amount, and quantitative determiners are used by using these words. For example, some, few, much, many, more, little. That is, the quantity is not specified, but it is a generalized quantity. So the words which indicate quantitative determiners, they are some, few, much, many, more, little, etc. Now we will understand quantitative determiners with the help of some example. Like say, I am a little boy. So where is the quantitative determiner here? Little. Right? Then second example, I love lots of juicy fruits. So here quantitative determiner is lots. Right? It is indicating quantity or the amount. Now third example is, how many books do you have? So where is the quantitative determiner here? Many. So I hope the concept of quantitative determiner is clear to you by using the words little, lots, many. Okay. Now second category will go to numerical determiners. Numerical determiner, as I told you, it indicates the numbers. It is expressing quantity with the help of numbers, by the use of numbers in the sentence. Now it is, numerical determiner is again categorized under two, cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Now cardinal numbers, we are using words like 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 as numbers, right? So they are called cardinal numbers. The second is ordinal numbers. Now in ordinal numbers, we indicate order, right? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, so on and so forth, many other, right? Now we will understand numerical determiners with few examples. Now number one, Now students, we will understand the third category in determiners only. We have studied quantitative determiners, we have studied in that quantitative determiners and numerical determiners. Now the third topic which we are going to cover in this determiners topic is possessive determiners. Now what is possessive determiners? Possessive determiners are those words which show belongingness or possession, and they are used before a noun, right? All these words, they are used before nouns. So, and the examples, what words are possessive determiners? They are me, mine, your, his, her, it, right? So these words, they indicate possession or belongingness. This is my book, this is my house, okay? So we will take these. Now demonstrative determiners we'll understand. Demonstrative determiners, they are used before nouns and pointing towards the nouns, right? So they demonstrate or they point towards the nouns. And words which are used as demonstrative determiners are this, that, these, those, etc. Okay? Now we will understand with few examples. Now that rainbow is very beautiful. Now we are pointing towards which rainbow? That rainbow. So that is word over here which is demonstrative determiner. That rainbow is very beautiful. Now second example, these books are mine. Whose books? These books. Which books? These books are mine. So these are demonstrating. Then this building is very big. This. It is pointing towards the building. Which building? This building is very big. So the words that, these, this, those, these, etc. are all called demonstrative determiners. Okay. So demonstrative determiners are those words which are used before nouns and they are pointing towards the nouns. They are pointing towards the nouns. Now here in these sentences we will see what are nouns. Rainbow is noun. Rainbow is noun. Books are nouns and buildings are nouns. Okay. So we can see that rainbow, it's pointing towards the rainbow. These books towards the books and this building towards the building. So it is pointing towards the noun. So they are called demonstrative determiners. So I hope you understand what a possessive demonstrative determiners. So in this unit A we have studied quantifiers. In quantifiers we have studied quantitative determiners, numerical determiners. Then we have studied the possessive determiners and the demonstrative determiners. And I hope the concept of determiners are clear to you, that they are the words which they are used before the nouns which can be countable or uncountable. So I hope the concept is clear to you all. Thank you.